you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly configured. Go to the Steam settings and navigate to the voice chat section to confirm that the correct microphone is selected and that it's not muted. Step 2. Update Steam and system software. Make sure that both your Steam application and the Steam Deck's operating system are up to date. Check for updates in the settings menu and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Voice chat requires a stable internet connection. Run a speed test to check your connection quality. If your connection is slow or unstable, try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 4. Adjust voice chat settings. In the Steam settings, look for voice chat options. Adjust the input volume and sensitivity settings to ensure that your voice is being picked up correctly. You may also want to toggle voice activation settings to see if that helps. Step 5. Restart the Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. Turn off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on. After rebooting, check if the voice chat feature is functioning properly. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.